Let me ask about a little more of the dissent, because we're talking about cases that were decided but not decided. Everyone agrees there will be more cases, perhaps between the identical 9 justices or most of them. Samuel Alito, in his dissent in the Doma case, says that the other side cannot claim that same-sex marriage is a fundamental right under our Constitution. He says they cannot claim that, you cannot claim that. So the other side went for this equal protection clause and other things. He goes on with some other language. Is he right about that? You cannot claim that?
That's the question. That's not the answer. There's no legal reasoning there. He doesn't say they can't claim that because. He doesn't say you can't make this claim because there's this case out there. He doesn't say you can't make this case because there's this legal principle out there. He doesn't have any more reason than the proponents have. I've said a number of times, including 3 years ago in this venue, that this is a unique case for me. One of the things that I think makes me a good lawyer is that I'm pretty good at figuring out what the best arguments are on the other side. And that's important because that allows you to come up with answers to them. Here there isn't another side, there isn't another reasoning. There's no legal reasoning, there's no factual reasoning. The other side's got a bumper sticker. It says marriage is between a man and a woman. Or another bumper sticker that says there's no constitutional right to this. But there isn't any reasoning there. There isn't any justification in there. There's no rationale for why you come to that conclusion. The other side has a conclusion, but they don't have any support. And that's why they lost so badly in the trial, and that's why they lost in the Supreme Court, where even the dissenting justices can't say this decision is wrong because of A, B, and C. They just say in very passionate terms and repeatedly, the decision is just wrong. That's not legal reasoning.
Okay. Can you claim that same-sex marriage is a fundamental right under our Constitution? To pose that question that Samuel Alito raises.
Well, not only can I say that, but the Supreme Court has said that over and over again. The Supreme Court has said marriage is a fundamental right. They said that in Loving. They said that in the Wisconsin case. They said that in a case involving Missouri, where Missouri said that if you're a felon in prison for life, you can't get married. The Supreme Court said, well, you can't do a lot of the things that married couples generally do, but even though you can't have physical contact, the right of to marry is so fundamental to human dignity and liberty and association that the state of Missouri can't prevent prison felons from getting married. Now, if you can't prevent imprisoned felons or scofflaws or wife abusers from getting married, I think it follows pretty clearly that you can't prevent loving, law-abiding citizens from getting married because of their sexual orientation.